Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code CE-118307-0 on PS5. Method 1. Turn on log in to PS5 automatically. Go to Settings. Go to Users and Accounts. Go to Login Settings. Now, turn on log in to PS5 automatically. Go back the PlayStation Store and see if the problem is fixed. Method 2. Sign out and back in of PlayStation Network. From the main dashboard of your PS5 console, access the Setting menu. Once you're inside the Settings menu, access the Users and Accounts. Next, select Other. Select Sign Out. After you confirm the operation, sign back in at the login screen that just appeared and try visit the PlayStation Store once again to see if the problem is fixed. Method 3. Power cycle the PS5 and the router. Just turn off the PS5 and the router. After that, unplug the power. Wait about 5 minutes, then replug the power. Turn on the PS5 and the router. Then check if error code CE-118307-0 is fixed. Method 4. Use manual DNS and MTU. Just go to Settings. Select Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. After that, go to the Wi-Fi or LAN connected option. Depending on how you connect, it can be the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Next, press Option button on the controller. Select Advanced Settings. Go to DNS Settings, then press X button on the controller to select it. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. So, I will select Primary DNS, then type 1.1.1.1. Next, I will select Secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, select OK. Then check if error code CE-118307-0 is gone. If not working, one more time, go back here. After that, select MTU Settings, then select Manual. Select MTU. Now change value to 1473. Select Done. Select OK. And visit the PlayStation Store and see if error code CE-118307-0 is fixed. Method 6. Try connect to different networks. Try connecting your PS5 to another network, such as mobile data or a neighbor's wireless network. We need to do this to rule out the possibility that the problem is caused by the router. Sometimes overly strict security on your router will prevent your PS5 from connecting to PlayStation services. If that is true, please contact your internet service provider or router manufacturer and ask for their assistance. Finally, if none of the above methods worked for you, then factory reset the router and the PS5 is the last method you can do now. So, before you do that, you need to know this means that a process will take place on the device to delete all of your personal data stored while using the device, and return it to the original state in which the manufacturer sold the device on the market. Because of this, it's recommended you first back up any files you don't want to lose for good. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.